Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to break into the crypto space without all the typical stress and confusion, you've definitely come to the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through what is honestly the most straightforward way to get started on Binance, the world's leading exchange. Let's jump right in with the account setup. First, you'll want to head down to the description or the pinned comments and click that official sign up link. It'll take you straight to the Binance registration page. And just a quick heads up, if you use that specific link, you're actually going to unlock a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package right from the start. It's a great little bonus to have in your pocket. Once you're on the page, the sign up itself is super easy. You can use either your email or your mobile phone. Simply enter your email, check that terms and conditions box at the bottom, and hit continue. In just a few seconds, you'll get a 6-digit verification code sent to your email or phone. Grab that code, type it in, hit continue, and then it's time to set your password. Make sure it's a strong one, at least 8 characters with a number and an uppercase letter, and just like that, you're in. If the inviter code screen pops up, just make sure our code is filled in and finish the process. Now that your account is born, we need to handle the KYC identity verification. This is a mandatory step, and honestly, you really need to finish it to unlock things like deposits and withdrawals. Since it involves a facial scan, it's actually way faster to just do this part on your mobile phone. Go ahead and pull up the Binance app and log in. The app will usually take you directly to the verification screen. First, you'll confirm your nationality and then pick an ID to use, like a national ID, driver's license, or passport. It all gets processed in about 5 minutes, so just grab whichever one you have nearby. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. Snap a clear photo of the front and back of your ID, making sure it stays inside the frame. Then just center your face in the oval on your screen and follow the little prompts. Once you're done with the scan, confirm your name, birth date, and address, then click Continue. Select your occupation, hit Continue, and finally pick your industry and click Continue one last time. The review is super quick, and you'll see that verified badge on your profile once it's all set. Before you start exploring, we definitely need to secure your account with two-factor authentication or 2FA. For this, let's head back to your PC. In the left-hand menu, click Security under the Account tab and then look for Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable Authenticator app, Binance will send a verification code to your email or phone just to verify it's you. Enter that code and a QR code window will appear. Leave that there for a moment and download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the app, tap Get Started, and for the best security, I recommend clicking Use Without Signing In. Tap the Add a Code button and then scan a QR code. Scan the code on your PC screen and you'll see a 6-digit Binance OTP pop up. Back on the computer, click Next, enter those 6 digits from the app, and hit Submit. Now your account is officially locked down and secure, and that's a wrap. You are now fully verified, secured, and ready to join the global crypto community. If this walkthrough made the process a lot easier for you, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more guides.